English Malay past tense. I was.
Saya do.
Was were made easy. Synapse Lingo. Hello. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart way to learn languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Ready to time travel to the past tense? In the next minutes, you'll laugh, repeat, and master Malay, was, were. Buckle up. Your goal today. By the end, you can say who was what, where, and when, smoothly in Malay. Key forms you'll meet.
Saya do. Kamu dulu. Dia dulu. Dialah. Dia adalah. Kami dulu. Kamu semua adalah. Anda dahulu.
Big idea. Use.
You.
For past states, habits.
Dialah.
/
Adalah.
To link to nouns, roles, titles, and pronouns to match who we're talking about. Form hacks, super short. Here are the fastest rules, and yes, you can screenshot them in your brain. I was.
Saya do.
Example.
Saya dulu seorang guru.
You were, informal, singular.
Kamu dulu.
Example.
Kamu dulu pelari terpantas.
He was.
Dia dulu.
Example.
Dia dulu kawan baik saya.
She was, with a role, noun. Use.
Dialah.
Plus noun plus time word. Example.
Dia ialah ketua pasukan dulu.
It was.
Ia adalah.
Plus noun, definition. Example.
Ia adalah hari yang indah.
We were.
Kami dulu.
Example.
Kami dulu dalam kelas yang sama.
You were, plural.
Kamu semua adalah.
Plus noun. Example.
Kamu semua adalah pemenang.
You were, polite.
Anda dahulu.
Example.
Anda dahulu guru saya.
Mini comedy sketch. Let's act it out, smile, repeat, and own it. A. Time machine check. Yesterday, I was fantastic.
Saya do.
Hebat. B. Sure, and you were the early bird.
Anda dahulu.
Dating a wall. A. He was our captain, right?
Dia dulu.
Ketua Latihan. B. She was the official leader.
Dia ialah ketua pasukan dulu.
Big difference. A. The weather? It was perfect.
Dia adalah.
Hari yang indah. B. We were classmates.
Kami dulu.
Rekan sekolah. A. And your whole team? You were the winners.
Kamu semua adalah.
Pemenang. B. Admit it, you were the comedian.
Kamu dulu.
Paling luku. Echo drill. I say it in English, you shout the Malay. Ready? Go. I was a teacher. Answer.
Saya dulu seorang guru.
You were my neighbor. Answer.
Kamu dulu jiran saya.
He was tired. Answer.
Dia dulu letih.
She was the captain. Answer.
Dia ialah ketua dulu.
It was the first time. Answer.
Ia adalah kali pertama.
We were happy. Answer.
Kami dulu gembira.
You were, plural, the winners. Answer.
Kamu semua adalah pemenang.
You were, polite, right. Answer.
Anda dahulu betul.
Speed quiz. fast answers, say the Malay right after the pause. Q1. Say, I was in Malay. A.
Saya do.
Q2. Say, you were, informal singular. A.
Kamu dulu.
Q3. Say, he was. A.
Dia dulu.
Q4. Say, she was the manager, past role. A.
Dia ialah pengurus dulu.
Q5. Say, it was a quiet night. A.
Ia adalah malam yang sunyi.
Q6. Say, we were students there. A.
Kami dulu pelajar di situ.
Q7. Say, you, plural, were the best group. A.
Kamu semua adalah kumpulan terbaik.
Q8. Say politely, you were not ready. A.
Anda dahulu tidak bersedia.
Culture tip. Keep it natural. A tiny rule saves you big headaches. Use.
Dulu.
To mark past states or habits with pronouns.
Saya dulu. Kamu dulu. Dia dulu. Kami dulu.
Use.
Dialah.
Slash.
Adalah.
To link to nouns, roles, titles.
Dia ialah ketua dulu.
For groups.
Kamu semua adalah pemenang.
For, it was, starting a definition, story.
Dia adalah.
Works great.
Ia adalah permulaan cerita.
Final challenge. Your turn, say it out loud. I'll give you a beat to answer. 1. Say, we were in Kuala Lumpur. Model.
Kami dulu berada di Kuala Lumpur.
2. Say, you, plural, were the winners yesterday. Model.
Semalam kamu semua adalah pemenang.
3. Say, she was our manager before. Model.
Dia ialah pengurus kami dulu.
4. Say, I was happy there. Model.
Saya dulu gembira di sana.
5. Say politely, you were my teacher. Model.
Anda dahulu guru saya.
Bonus. Start a story. It was a beautiful day. Model.
Ia adalah hari yang indah.
Wrap up. You did it, past tense unlocked. Today you nailed.
Saya dulu. Kamu dulu. Dia dulu. Dialah. Ia adalah. Kami dulu. Kamu semua adalah.
And.
Anda dahulu.
Keep practicing with a smile, and your Malay will love you back. Thanks for listening. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, games, and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Jump back in tomorrow.